Welcome to Playlist. MHD's pioneering playlist technology gives you the power to create bespoke training programs in the same way as you would use Apple Music. But instead of songs, you have over 500 hairdressing and barbering tutorials to choose from. Here's how to use it. First, go to My Playlists. Select New Playlist and add your playlist details. Browse our incredible content to find the tutorial you need, then select Add to Playlist. Click on the playlist you want to add the content to, or create a new one at this stage too. Choose Playlist Options to manage your playlist and adjust video order using Edit. Your playlist will always start where you left off, or go to Tutorial Options to watch a video out of sequence. And that's it. Happy playlisting!